Hello, everyone! Welcome back to English Vibes channel.
I'm John.
And I'm Emma. Today's lesson is super useful.
Yes, we will talk about daily routines, how to describe your day in easy English.
But before we start, we have a small request.
Please like this video.
Subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss our new lessons.
Yes, the bell icon helps you get every new video instantly.
All right, let's begin.
Let's start simple. What is a daily routine?
A daily routine is the things you do every day.
Morning, afternoon, evening, your normal activities.
Yes, like waking up, eating breakfast, going to work, studying, relaxing, and sleeping.
Exactly. So, John, tell us, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Oh, that's early.
Yes, but I need time to prepare for my day.
So, after you wake up, what do you do?
First, I get out bed and I stretch a little.
Stretching is good.
Then I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower.
Nice, clean and fresh.
Yes. What about you, Emma? What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Even earlier than me. Why?
because I like slow mornings. I make a cup of tea and sit near the window for 5 minutes.
That sounds peaceful.
So, after your shower, what next?
Breakfast time. I usually eat eggs and toast or sometimes cereal.
Simple and healthy.
Yes, and I drink coffee. Without coffee, I feel like a sleepy zombie.
Haha, same here. I need my morning tea.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat fruit, yogurt, and sometimes oatmeal.
Very healthy.
I try my best.
After breakfast, I get ready for work.
How do you go to work?
I usually take the bus. Sometimes I walk if the weather is nice.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes. What about you?
I work from home, so I don't need to travel.
Lucky you.
Yes, but sometimes it gets boring. I miss seeing people.
That's true.
So, what time do you start work?
At 9 a.m. First, I check my emails.
Emails, the never-ending list.
Yes. Then I plan my tasks for the day.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take a short break every hour. I stretch or walk around.
Good idea. A little movement helps your mind. So, John, what about lunch?
I usually eat lunch at 1 p.m.
Oh, same as me.
Sometimes I eat a sandwich or a pasta.
Nice. And do you eat alone?
Sometimes with coworkers, we talk and laugh.
Social lunch.
Yes, it's fun.
And after lunch?
I continue my work. In the afternoon, I usually feel a little sleepy.
Oh, yes. Afternoon sleep attack.
Exactly. So I drink more water or sometimes another coffee.
Dangerous. Too much coffee.
True. What about you, Emma? What do you do in the afternoon?
I record videos, edit content, write scripts, and reply to messages.
That sounds busy.
Yes, it is, but I enjoy it.
Your content helps many people.
Thank you. What do you do first when you get home?
I relax for 10 minutes. I sit on my sofa and do nothing.
Very good routine.
Yes. Then I change clothes and sometimes clean my kitchen or room.
Nice. Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do. Usually something simple. Rice, chicken, vegetables.
Healthy.
I try. And you, Emma? What do you do in the evening?
I go for a walk.
Evening walk sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me clear my mind. Then I make dinner, usually soup or salad.
Light dinner.
Yes, I don't like heavy food at night.
What do you do after dinner?
I read a book or watch a TV show.
Nice. What show are you watching now?
A comedy show. It helps me relax.
I usually play games or watch YouTube videos.
Learning or entertainment?
Both. I watch cooking videos too.
Oh, nice. Maybe you can cook for me one day.
Maybe. What time do you sleep?
I go to bed around 11 p.m.
Good. Yes, before sleeping, I switch off my phone and sometimes listen to soft music.
I do almost the same. I drink warm tea and write a little in my journal.
Sounds peaceful.
It helps me relax.
Okay, Emma, let's teach our viewers some common daily routine phrases.
Good idea. Let's say a sentence and you repeat after us. Emma, I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I study in the morning.
I take a shower.
I make dinner.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Great job.
Before we end, let's review important words from today.
Wake up.
Brush teeth.
Take a shower.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Study.
Make dinner.
Relax.
Sleep.
Yes, simple but important.
Now we want to hear from you.
Yes. Write in the comments.
What is your daily routine?
Tell us what time you wake up, what you eat, and what you do every day.
Use simple English.
We read every comment.
Thank you for watching English Vibes.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.
We will see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.